What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your host, Mark. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. As you see by the title, I have a banger for you guys. I really do. I have an unboxing. I have a nice little, haul. Nothing too crazy. One item, a really fire item, my best item of the week for Supreme. Last week, week 8, I believe. Yeah, because week 9 is this week, this Thursday. But last week was week 8. You already know we had the Air Max Supreme collab, super fire, the black and that green colorway. I was able to get a money size, so we're gonna unbox it, do a little review on the shoe, my opinion, let you guys know what the retail was, resale now, which is currently looking pretty nice, profit to be made. But without further ado, man, let's get straight into it. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you're always notified when I drop one of these bangers and you don't miss it. If you're new here, like I said, just hit that subscribe button. You won't regret it. But without further ado, let's dive straight into this video. Yeah, here we got it, guys. Here we got it. We have the box here. We're gonna crack it open. I'm gonna get my box cutter knife. We're gonna dive straight into it. Like I said, this item here, guys, was from last week, week 8. I already told you guys what item it is, but let's crack this open and see exactly what it is. And it's my first time seeing these in person, so we are going to check these out. So we got 2 BOGO stickers, box logo stickers. We get them with every order, literally. Got some tissue paper that Supreme puts in their boxes, and we have the shoes. So as you can see here, right off the back, you got that Nike in black right there with the swoosh. Nike, it's like a gloss finish, like looks kind of like a mirror. Right here, you got that Supreme box logo in red, very nice. And then right here, you have QR code and all that, the label. If you guys want to read it, there it is. Bang, right there. All right, so we have a size 7 in the Air Max Plus, the TN Supreme collab, size 7, mean green / black blue hero vert Machant Heroes Blue Noir. All right, guys, size 7. You see it right there. We are going to open this. As you can see, we got that hole there. We got the tab here. You lift it up, and it's like a drawer. We just slide it open. Bang, and here you have it. So right off the back, got tissue paper there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yes, you can. Right there, very beautiful. It has Nike with the swoosh and Supreme written all over it. Once again, there you have it. Really nice Supreme Nike check paper. So we are going to slide this all the way out so we can just get the box here. We are going to lift it up, and oh my God, there it is. Let's pop them out of the box and we'll continue with this review. All right, guys, now that we have the shoes in hand, wow, that's all I have to say is wow. Here you have it. That's that mean green, beautiful Air Max Plus Supreme collab right there. Right off the back, I absolutely love this colorway. I should have gotten a pair for myself. This is something I would totally wear. I love colors like this, especially on the feet where it's loud and you're just breaking necks just because it's a nice shoe. Especially if you have a passion for shoes, this is the shoe you want right here. Look at how loud it is. You got like flames of fire and blue, orange. You got that mean green, and then as you can see there, you got the black Nike swoosh there. And something very interesting, it came with a little dog tag that says Nike Supreme right there. Really nice right there. Very, very, very nice. Other shoe, same thing, no dog tag, but it's a beautiful, beautiful shoe. The bottom is just pretty much all green. You got that TN on the bottom, on the center there. As you can see, TN Air, really, really nice. And yes, there is more Supreme branding on the tongue there. As you can see, you got the Supreme logo branding right there in white, very nice. And on the insole, It's an all red insole right there that says Supreme Nike Air. So that is also a very, very, very nice touch. And again, this is a size 7 if you are interested. My link is always in the description, so you guys can check it out if you're interested in purchasing anything from my eBay store, or if you're interested in this item and you're a size 7, or if you want to gift someone. These are it, guys. These are it. These are super fire. These are actually dropping on Nike, I believe, on the 22nd. So if you are, new, if you're part of the channel and you are interested in sneakers and you really like these and want to pick them up, a chance to pick them up for retail, they're going to retail for, I believe, $180 on Nike. These here were $180, $190 after shipping fees from Supreme. Again, a money size. Retail was $180. After the shipping, it was $190, and they're currently going for around $300 to $350. So some good profit is going to be made on these. And I also want to give a big shout out to my girlfriend Haley, who always supports the business ventures. She actually is the one that landed this pair. I went in on the day. I went straight to checkout. I was really fast. I was in there about 3-4 seconds, and I was so quick that I got the high traffic. I got the payment decline thing, which I've never gotten before. My payments never get declined on Supreme, but because I was so fast, they might have picked it up as if I were a bot or something. But these shoes here are very clean. Big shout outs to Haley for grabbing these. This is going to bring home some cash, so I do want to thank her for that. But I hope you guys like this video. Please smash a like, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in my next video. Stay safe, but get money. Peace out, Mercado Nation.